Welcome to Prism Heights, where greatness is achieved every single day. We are hitting huge milestones in March 2024. A commercial and residential wonder featuring commercial shops, vibrant food court, spacious shared spaces, corporate offices, and luxe apartments. 50% slab completed on the 15th story. We are committed to excellence. Our project consists of world-class amenities such as a swimming pool, elite elevators, ample car parking, wide corridors, triple play services, and many more. Working around the clock to fulfill on our promise. 14 out of 24 stories are complete. Rest of the work is being carried on at a high pace. The biggest advantage is the fact that we are approved from the Capital Development Authority. There is nothing more assuring than knowing your investment is safe. Located on the left side, only 900 meters away from our head office. Just 2 minutes from Islamabad Expressway, in the heart of Gulberg Greens.